Maverick Indicators here. So wanted to show you, let's see here, the power of these indicators. So whether you're trading futures, normally a lot of times, I'll post videos of trading futures. You can also trade stocks, options, crypto, Forex, you name it. Our indicators work on NinJATRADER and TradingView. I just want to show you this this trade that we're in right now. Took 5 contracts of Tesla, and I broke my rules. I got in a little too early on some gray candles, and I thought, hey, okay, we're reversing. I'm going to get in a little early, and I took a dinger. But I relied on my indicators, and I said, okay, well, I'm gonna get back in this thing. And what happened was we got a nice buy signal down here, and we had bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. And you can see here that we're it's working out pretty darn well. There we go. It's working out pretty darn well. So why are we in this trade? First things first, green background. The bulls are in control. Let me get rid of this drawing here because that's what I was using earlier. These are just support and resistance levels, these lines here, and then I just drew a trend line here. But if you can look past all that. So the bulls are in control. You have a green background. You have bright green candles. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. So when we see a lot of data underneath the hood, strong to the upside, you're going to get bright green. Second strongest is green. Gray is reversal or indecision. And then red, we're on a 5-minute chart here. And then red is your second strongest downside candle, and hot pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Now this is pre-market, yeah, this is overnight. But look at this, bright green candles, tons of upside data, bright green candles, unbelievable. How this thing just tells you the story. Think of it almost like a heat map for your candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And again, I have 5-minute candles. So normally I trade with 1-minute Heikin-Ashi candles or 5-minute candles. Let me get back over here. So why are we in this trade? Green background, bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly off your screen, okay? Had a buy signal down here. Maverick trender, when this line is pegged to the top, it can't go any further. It's showing an uptrend label. This isn't like a stochastic or RSI where it slowly comes up and slowly comes down. The way we design this thing is it's either at the top or it's at the bottom. And when it's at the top, it's showing massive, massive strength and momentum. Okay, so this is the Maverick trender. And look, this whole time, all the way from here to current, it's been pegged at the top. Beautiful. And then the Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders. Okay, so think of these algorithms as traders, T1 through T5. 5 traders, trader 1 through trader 5. They all have a completely different style. They're looking for different things. And they're voting every single tick across 6 time frames. And you can add a 7th time frame if you want. And you can change these time frames to whatever you want. Right now I have them for the 1-minute through the 15-minute. And they're all voting bullish across 6 time frames. So what we're doing is we're stacking probability. Bulls are in control. Maverick AI Pro is giving you bright green candles. We have a bunch of up confidence arrows. Price is above the blue line. When price is above this blue line, we like to go long. When price is below the blue line, we like to go short. I could show you that all day long. Price above the blue line long, well, that was, you had a gap there, but price below the blue line short. Maverick trender is pegged to the top. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. So this is how you stack probability in your favor, right? Stacking probability in your favor. Now, let's look at the Maverick radar. Okay, which this is the last day to get the Maverick radar as part of the Maverick AI Pro bundle. Okay, last day. And I have it set for Tesla, and you guys have seen, go back, watch a bunch of Maverick radar videos. I normally put 3 tickers on here and I monitor all of them. I just have the the Tesla on here. But look, we have an A+ setup on the Maverick AI Pro. You have a bright green candle. You have an A+ setup on the Maverick Multi-X. All 5 traders are voting almost all bullish across 6 time frames. Maverick Guide, prices above the Maverick Guide. Maverick Trender, firing to the upside. Bear Bull, you have bulls are in control. You have a green background. Then we have this qualifier that we put in here to safeguard you guys in the A+ or the B setup. So nothing you need to know there. It's just another qualifier. And now we have an A+ setup to the upside, and we have had an A+ setup to the upside. And once we got this A+ setup, boom, I was in. Okay. So this is how we stack probability, and this is how we put the probability in our favor. Okay. And I don't know how many times you've been in a trade. I know it's happened to me a million times where I think I see what I see on the chart. I take the trade, I lose the trade, then I go back and I'm like, what the heck was I thinking? The Maverick radar is kind of like your confirmation that your eyes are seeing what they're seeing, right? Like, this is confirmation that, like, is this really what I'm seeing? I'm seeing an A+ setup to the upside, but let's confirm it. Let's make sure that something's actually monitoring this entire checklist and giving me either no setup, a B setup, or an A setup. And I just love this indicator. Just love it, love it, love it. Again, our indicators work on NinjaTrader and TradingView. And the Maverick radar, we are now working on for NinjaTrader. So that's going to be coming out soon. We have the prototype in testing right now. All our indicators work on NinjaTrader and TradingView, except for the Maverick radar, which is coming soon to NinjaTrader. All right, cool. So, hey, if you want clear vision on your charts, I believe, in my opinion, this is edge in the market, right? This is having edge. But don't take my word for it. Come check us out. Read what our traders are saying. So many of you guys are crushing it. It's so amazing to watch every single day, opening up my email box to your wins. Keep them coming. It's my favorite part of the day. Yeah, come check us out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. I just wanted to jump into some options trades to show you guys how you can use these indicators, whether it's futures, whether it's crypto, whether it's options, whether it's stocks, whatever it is, you can use our indicators. All right. So come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.